Alright everyone, welcome to a brand new video. Now in today's video, we're going to be fitting some brand new number plates to my car. Now, I've got a few things to explain because obviously I haven't uploaded for the past 2 weeks and I do have an excuse for that. So the first excuse is, well, a company sent me out a car to test and review for 1 week, which the videos will hopefully be coming out in the next month or so. That's something that's exciting, that's coming up in the future. And also, my mate who films all the videos is on holiday. He's been on holiday for the past 2 weeks, so it's been difficult to film. So you can probably actually already tell that I've actually got a brand new camera, and it's the Sony ZV-1, which is apparently one of the best cameras for YouTube. So I've also invested in a new mic as well. I've got the Rode Go mic. Yeah, this just makes it easier to film and ups the quality of the videos, and when Jake's filming as well, it would just make it a lot easier than using a phone camera. But yeah, let's get on with the video. Let's start putting the new plates on the car. But yeah, let's go. Okay, so I'm gonna get the number plates and we're gonna start fitting them to the car. I'm gonna quickly get them out now and I'll explain everything. Okay, so these plates have actually come from the company NF Plates. I'll put all their links and everything down in the description, go check them out. I'll get one of the plates out here to show you guys. They've kindly sent them out for me to put on my car, and they look so clean. They're really going to transform the look of the car. It just gives it a more clean look. I feel like original number plates, I'll show you in detail in a second, but I feel like the original number plates, they just don't look that great. So having some proper fresh, clean, there's like 3D gel ones as well. Get a bit closer, so you can see they're like slightly, they give it such a cleaner look. But yeah, they've also given me a 10% discount code to give you guys. So if you guys want some plates like this for yourself, go check them out and use the code joshb10 at checkout, and you'll get 10% off on your order. But yeah, thanks to the guys over at NF Plates. Let's start fitting them. All right, I'm gonna go into my toolbox of many things. You know, all right, going into my toolbox of many things, I've bought a screwdriver out. No, I don't need the screwdriver yet. I need some pliers. So what I'm going to do, I'll get a close up for you guys. What I'm going to do is, obviously they've got these caps on at the moment, so I've got these pliers, and I'm going to take this off, hopefully, doing it one-handed. There you go. And it's revealed just a normal screw, and there's one that side as well. So yeah, I'm going to unscrew these, get the plate off, see what it's like. But what I'm using is I've got some sticky pads as well that I'm going to stick it on, so we won't have them screws. Again, give it a cleaner look. There it goes. Alright, there's the original plate. I'll get the new one out, it's going on as well. Yeah, you can see the difference in plates. Obviously the new one being the bottom one, it just gives it a cleaner look. But without no front plate, oh, I love it without front plate. It looks so good without front plate. But I think it is now time to clean that and put the new one on. Alright, so with that now, I'm going to get the plates and stick 4 sticky pads on the back, and then it should be ready to go on. Putting these on is literally as simple as it looks. Literally get these, tear them off and stick them on. It's nothing too difficult, but one thing that's going to be challenging, right? See the screw hole, it's slightly like pokes out, so hopefully the sticky pads just go straight over that, but giving it a bit of a clean. And yeah, hopefully it sits on there nicely. Alright, there you go. 4 sticky pads on, ready just to be torn off and go on the car. Now, another thing that I forgot to do is tape it up. So I don't know where the middle is, but we're going to wing it and hopefully I'll get this right. Alright, got the 4 sticky pads off. Now it's trying to get it level so it gets on the car looking proper. Alright, the plate is on. The plate is on. And as you can see, that has come out pretty perfect. That looks so much cleaner than before. That looks so good. I'm so pleased with that. That's like another one of those little things that, compared to just a standard plate. That is next level. Alright, now it is time to just put the back one on, and then the car will be complete for now. Alright, so moving around to the back, same again. 2 screws to get out, and then we'll stick this one on. This should be a lot easier because it's almost like there's a bit fits in there perfectly, like the fitment. So this one should be a lot easier. Not that the other one was hard, I just forgot to line it up, which is my bad. But yeah, let's take this one off, put the new one on. I'll show you the new one quick. So this is the new one. As you can see again, it's that 3D effect. Yeah, this compared to that is a big difference, and will change the car again. Like, just a little thing, it's a bit brighter. The yellow is a little bit, it looks like, unless it's just, I don't know what it is about the plate, but it just makes it look a lot better. Same again, take these little covers off the screws. Alright, there's them two off. Now undo the screws. Alright, nice, that one's off. And very dirty underneath. That's that one off. Give this a clean again, and then we'll stick the new one on. Alright, car with no number plate. Let's see what it looks like. God, car with no number plate does look strange. Does look cleaner at the same time, but about to stick on the new one. And yeah, I don't know why, but when there's like no plate on it, the car looks American all of a sudden. I don't know why, especially the front plate off, because I don't know, we're just so used to having them. America don't need them in some states. Just makes your car look American, you know. I don't know why. Is that just me that thinks that? Alright, same again. Back plate about to go on. Right, there you go. There is the 4 done. And now, sticking it on here, that will look a lot better. And now again, the challenge of lining this up perfectly straight. And in the middle, again, it's going to be a bit easier on this one because it's like, it's like a moulded shape, the actual body. So this will be easier, but still want to get it perfect. Just making sure that's straight from my angle. I think maybe a tiny bit up. Nice, alright. Hit centre, stick it down more. And all the pads. Look how bendy the bodywork is, can you see that? What the hell? Alright, this is the plate done. Let me show you guys from a different angle. Alright, this is the plate from the back. Again, from a distance, I mean, to be fair, I don't know if this is picking up on camera. From here, even I can tell, like, I can tell that's not a stock plate. That looks so good. But when you come up close, it does look a lot better, a lot cleaner. You can see, especially from this angle, that looks so clean. But yeah, what do you guys think of the new plates? Let me know down below, and also go get yourself some. You know, you remember the discount, Josh B10 at the checkout. So thanks again to NF Plates for sending these plates out. These plates look so good. Car looking nice as well. Yeah, that's so nice. Look at that difference. All the links to NF Plates will be down below in the description. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of the plates down below. Go check out all NF Plates social medias as well. They'll all be down below. And big thanks to them again for sending the plates out. It's again, these little details here and there on the car are transforming it. It's starting to be what I want it to be, and a few more modifications. It's made me, I want to change some lighting as well, like the 2 lights above the number plate that shine down. I think they're probably yellow at the moment. If I can get some nice LED ones, if you know anywhere I can get them, put it down in the comments. But yeah, the results are insane, and I can't remember this. And also let me know what you guys thought of the new camera and the new audio as well. Does it make a difference? You know, is it money well spent? But yeah, that is going to be it for this video. If you did enjoy, leave a like and subscribe down below. And yeah, I'll catch you in the next one.